Hello friends, my name is Mukund. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Money Drizzle. You are watching how to invest money in share market detailed study money harvesting series video number 2. In the last video, we have seen how there was an opportunity to earn money in the stocks like Reliance and Hero MotoCorp. If you have not seen that video, I have given the link in the description box. Please click on the link below and watch the video. Now let's start. I request you to watch the video till end. There is a recommendation of one stock to be watched out for investment. This is the daily chart of Tata Motors. Look at the chart. Tata Motors fall from rupees 201 rupees 70 paisa and corrected till here. It made a low of rupees 63 rupees 50 paisa on 24th of March. See here. On 24th of March 2020. Up till here, the bears were dominating the bulls. And after that, what happened? The bulls took the charge and gave the money earning and investing opportunity at the formation of this green candle. This green candle breached the red line and the close of this candle was above that. If one would have entered here at the price of rupees 74 with a stop loss of the close of this candle and adding a little buffer to that, say 50 paisa, and the stop loss would be 63 rupees. Look here. Here the volume is also significant. Look here. Our trade confirmation comes here, the formation of this green candle. After that, market corrected a little bit till here. It might be because of the profit booking, those who caught the market at the bottom, or the fear of the investor who thought that the market will not go in uptrend and it will take a trend reversal. You can see here the formation of this red candle. It breached the red line and the close was below that. Many of them would have thought that the market will change its trend and it will move downward, but there was no confirmation for this candle for downtrend, and hence the investors who hold their nerves and patience continued their trade and the others were out of trade. So the market was a little bit range bound here. After that, the uptrend continued and see, stock made higher high and it made a high of rupees 155.20. If investors would have closed their trade, say anywhere at this level, say at rupees 127, let's calculate the profitable trade. For example, one would have invested rupees 1 lakh at an entry price of rupees 74. The stocks bought, there would be 1351 number of shares bought as an investment. Subtracting 74 rupees entry price from our exit price of rupees 127, one would have achieved 53 rupees profit per share. Multiplying it with the total number of shares, that is 1351, one would have achieved profit of 71,603 rupees. In the percentage, it would have been 71.60%. Investors sold money seeds at the level of rupees 74 and harvested their money crop at rupees 127, a big profit of 71,603 rupees. What a money harvested trade it was. Let's see the second daily chart of Tata Elxsi from IT sector. Look here how the chart is trending till today. Tata Elxsi made a low of rupees 500 on 25th of March 2020. Look here at this candle. This green candle made a low of rupees 500. But here lies the secret. This candle made a low but did not close below its open price and close above its open price and forming a green candle. See here, trend reversal confirmed at the formation of the very next second candle. It breached the brown line and close was above that brown line, confirming and giving entry at this level. We would have entered over the close of this green candle, that is at rupees 620. After that, there was a fight between bulls and bears who tried to move the market in their favor. See here, for 5 to 6 days. Here, the market was range bound. At last, bulls won the fight and gave the trade confirmation and the trend reversal sign. I want to make you notice our trade confirmation lies at the formation of this giant green candle. Look here, both these lines cross each other, these both lines, and this candle intersected the both lines at the same point. Here is a big confirmation for our trade. As an investor or to become a successful investor, one should always try to interpret the candle, because candle tells all the emotions and sentiments of the investors or trader. This green candle is telling the same thing. It is confirming the trade and the trend reversal too. After that, the market corrected a little bit but never breached these lines, and apart from that, taking support of these lines, it made higher highs. Look here. It made higher highs, and lower highs too. Here, and here. These lines, how these lines are very significant, and look at the parallelity of these lines showing a strong uptrend. If one would have bought this stock at the discussed entry point, that is rupees 620, might be holding this stock till today. Just imagine, money seed sold at the level of rupees 620, and till today the money crop is going on and on. What a money harvesting trade it was. Let's look at the third daily chart of Jubilant FoodWorks. It made a low of rupees 1138 rupees 50 paisa on 19th of March 2020. Here the good entry was at this candle, that is on 16th of April 2020, when it breached this purple line, and the close was about that purple line with a very short tail. See here, the tail of the candle is too short or a negligible tail, showing strong emotions and sentiments of investors to take stocks higher. Previously, two times the candles tried to breach this line. See, this one candle and this one candle. These two candles tried to breach this line, and the close was about that breach line. But look here, the tails of these two lines. These tails are too long, suggesting the indecisive nature of investors. Therefore, such type of trade should be avoided. And here it is proven that our entry lies over here because the tail is too short and the close of this candle is above the purple line, and that is too high. Here, let me make a notice to you. The candles tried to breach this purple line two times. One is here and the other one is here. But that breaching turned into the support and respected the purple line and continued the uptrend. Here our entry would have been at the close of this line, this green candle, that is 1519 rupees, with a stop loss of the low of this candle, that is 1351 rupees. At this level, when this candle breached the brown line and this candle breached the red line, we would have exited over here, say at the level of 2265 rupees. Let's calculate the profitable trade. Let's take an example. Investment amount rupees 1 lakh. Entry price at 1519 rupees. The number of shares bought would have been 65. Subtracting entry price, that is 1519 rupees, from exit price, that is 2265 rupees, one would have achieved profit of rupees 746 rupees per share. Multiplying it by the total number of shares, that is 65, the total profit comes out to be is 48,490 rupees. In terms of percentage, it would have been 48.49%. Again, what a money harvesting season. The fourth stock is from pharma sector, that is Granules. Before starting the detailed study of the daily chart of Granules, just take a look how significant the purple line is. See here, the purple line gives resistance to the stock in the upward direction and also gives supports in downtrend. See here. Now let's get started. Granules made a low of rupees 114 rupees 10 paisa at this level, that is on 23rd of March 2020. It took the support of this purple line, see here, at this green candle, and indicating the trend reversal, This candle breached this brown line and closed exactly at the level of this brown line. For the safer side, we would have entered at the close of this green candle, that is at rupees 172, with a stop loss of previous low of candle, that is rupees 146. After that, it continuously took the support of this line and confirmed the trend reversal. See here, stock making higher highs and lower highs too. See. Today also this stock is in uptrend, continuously taking support of all these lines and going higher. If one would have been bought this stock at the discussed level, that is rupees 172, today also he might be holding that stock. There is no such book or system that predicts the market, but it takes years of study, research, observations, experiment with your indicator and oscillators and the system you are using, study of charts, candle formation, and according to the formed candle, try to guess the investors' emotions and sentiments, keeping informed about global markets, news flowing in the markets. All these things and many of other needed to be followed before investing in any stock. And one thing, you as an investor should always keep in mind that you should always follow the market and never try to be in front of the market. And now the time to tell you the one stock that you should keep watch for investment purpose, that is Coal India. Coal India broke its 52-week low and made a new low of 109 rupees 60 paisa here, and see this red candle, how it is formed. According to the formation of this candle, it shows the indecisive nature of the investors, and at the very next candle, at this green candle, it made a same low, but the close was above the open of the candle and form a green candle, and close was above the central pivot line, this line, and confirm the trend reversal by forming another green candle. From my point of view, if the Coal India stays above the level of 117 rupees for few days, at your own risk, you can invest in this stock. Friends, today we have discussed the detailed study of the 4th chart, and I have given you one suggestion to keep and watch for investment purpose for Coal India. Friends, if you wish to learn all the methods which I have discussed with you on the charts for money investment, as to where and how to sow the money seeds, money crop growing and money harvesting, that is profit making, just do comment in the comment box or mail me. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon for the upcoming latest videos, like, share and please subscribe and do comment. Thank you, stay tuned, stay blessed.